Hi everyone, this is Tanvir from Junior Developers. Today I am going to show you how to make a report in Microsoft Power BI. So first let's learn how to install the Microsoft Power BI. So first go to Google Chrome and search for Power BI. Here you can see download Power BI desktop. Once you click that, you can click the download button here. When you click the download button, you will be directed to Microsoft Store, and here you will download the Microsoft Power BI. I have already downloaded it in my laptop, so here you can search Power BI and you will get it here. And you can click on the download option, and once it's downloaded, you can click on open. So to make a report, we need some data to make the report. So for that, I am going to be using a website called Kaggle. So Kaggle gives us many data sets for to make our reports. So you have to register with Google. Just give some name. Okay, now that it's open. So first, let's take some examples such as the cricket matches which are going on recently. Cricket. And once you click cricket, you have these options: notebooks, datasets, comments, people, topics, competition model. You have to select the datasets option and take the one which you want. Here there is a T20 matches data card. Once you have clicked download here, you have to click download dataset as zip 386 KB. Once you have downloaded it, go to your file explorer and you will find it in the downloads option. Here I have downloaded yesterday the cricket batting bowling match players and all. Okay, once you have downloaded it, open Microsoft Power BI. Okay, once you have opened the Power BI, just click on the blank report button. Now click get data from another source. Since we have downloaded an CSV file, select text or CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values. And now here I will be taking batting. Once you have connected it, you will be able to find it in this data column. Now we have to load it. Okay, once you have loaded it, click on this drop down arrow here, and you will get like this. Okay, now select the type of visualization you want to show here. I will be taking clustered bar chart. Click on the clustered bar chart, enlarge it, and while selecting it, take the data which you want to show from this data column. I want to show the batsman name, the number of runs, the force, and the six. Okay, we can close these filters. So as you can see here, you can see the data of all people. It is based on the highest to lowest. So here when we keep our cursor on the blue color bar, we can see batsman named Virat Kohli, sum of runs 296. Here the bat sum of fours 25, sum of 6 8. This is all in a particular match, not lifetime. It's a particular match which I have downloaded from Kaggle. So we have created a report, but what if we want to show it only the specific players which we need? So we can use this slicer like that. Click on this side and click on this slicer button. Okay, once you have clicked on this slicer, select a batsman name here. Once you have selected the batsman name, you will get all the batsmen who we want, all the batsmen in the data we have. Now for example, I want the runs and fours and sixes of David Miller. I'll select this and I'll get the data of David Miller here. Batsman name David Miller. Sum of runs 78. Fours 5, 6 3. And if you want to select multiple, on your keyboard press Ctrl and select multiple names such as I'm Chirag Suri, Chris Workes, Deepak Huda, like that. We can select many. You can see here their data. So now what if we want to customize this chart? So we can go with here the format visualization button. When we click that, here you can see slicer settings. Here you can make this list vertical list or tiles. You can make it like this, which is nice. And drop down. Drop down means when we click like this, we'll get the options. So we'll use tiles as it is very big. Next, slicer header. If we want the batsman name to be showed or not, we can on or off it. Values. Here you can change this to bold, italic, and many more. Here I have selected it to bold. We can even change the color of it. I will make it red. We can make it next the border. We can change the color of the border. I will keep the color of the border blue. I closed it by mistake. Next the background of this, we can make change the background of it. I'll make it yellow, light yellow. Nice, it's nice. Now we can get the data too. Here we have so many batters. Virat Kohli. So by using this, we can create a reports in Power BI. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and comment. And you can also join my Discord server, which I have mentioned in the description.